take 3. You know what they say, 3rd time's the charm. Okay, stop. So I've been trying to edit this video for months now, and girl, you're boring. So we're gonna speedrun this flip, okay? All you need to know is that I got this piece for $20. Day 1, prepping for paint. Gotta fix this, fix that, pull out whatever that is, trash, and take the knobs off. This took way longer than it should have because they nailed the bottom plate on. I mean, look at the detail of this nail. Anyways, she's gonna do some aggressive sanding and fill in the holes while she's gonna explain why. The reason why I wanted to take all of the handles down, my sister also asked me like, why are you doing that much work? Well, in the first place, if you think about it, I would still have to take all of those off anyways to paint. Otherwise you would just get paint over it. But the reason why I'm filling it in is because I want the handle to be in the center. Because one of the things I hate about these types of dressers is that when they have 2 handles on the side and you're putting your laundry in and you have a handful of clothes in one hand, so you only have one hand to pull open, so you'll pull it open from the side, one of the sides, and then because of physics it'll come out angled and it just gets stuck. So I would really prefer having the handle in the center, so that way when you pull on it with one hand, the whole drawer comes out and not get stuck to the side. And we end the day with a wipe down. Okay, day 2. But first, we're gonna get rid of this awkward detail. Grind it down, and wood filler. More aggressive sanding, and finally some painting. So I thought rolling this paint on was a good idea, but clearly I have no idea what I'm doing. Lesson learned, don't use anything foam to apply shellac. Anyways, after sanding and wiping down, I decided there was still some time left to drill new knob holes. And it's crooked. FML. The shame. Never mind, it never happened. On to day 3. I think I need to do another coat of primer. It probably cracked from the surface temperature because it's too hot for the paint to self-level. I don't know. My phone overheated and stopped recording most of it. It's okay. It was mostly just more aggressive sanding. We can skip ahead. Using chalk paint because I wanted to try it. It sprays out really nice, but it rubs off the surface really easily. The inside of the drawers were dingy and ugly, so I painted over all of it too. Anyways, day 4. having some real concern over this paint, so I decided to seal it with a top coat of poly. Really bad idea. Spent the whole day spraying a hideous top coat on. Day 5. So I tinted the top coat with some green chalk paint and there was a bunch left over. So I figured I'd try brushing it on, and those spots came out looking quite nice. So I made a new batch and spent the whole day brushing it on. It ended up coming out really uneven with brush marks everywhere. Ugh, I hate it here. But look at how this bottom detail came out. Looks pretty good, right? I don't know. Oh my god, I give up. Whatever, it's done. Here, I tried staging it. I don't even know how I'm gonna price this. It took me so long and it looks so bad.